Hey YouTube, KK6TGM here. Just got this radio on sale at the ham radio outlet. Couldn't resist buying it, so I'm going to do an unboxing video. This is the receipt. I put it in there when I bought the radio. Looks like we have an instruction manual. Lots of stuff in there. Quick start guide. Warranty card, which I think is 3 years. This is a data cable, and the reason one thing I don't like about this radio is this is a really strange pinout, I think. We'll look more into that later. We got the actual radio. Charger. This is a wall-wart. Comes with a battery. 2200 milliamp hours. It's got a basic antenna. And a belt clip with a couple screws. That's it. Subscribe and like.